Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create options menu in AIDE. Plus I will tell you how to change these three dots which represent the options menu, and I will also tell you how to add submenu to the options menu and how to display icons along with menu items in options menu. So let's start. Here I am creating a new project in SD card. Let this project name be 0 menu and let the package name be com.mycompany.mymenu. So here this app initially contains a main.xml file which has a text view which is hello world, and it contains a main activity.java file which displays the main.xml as content view. Now here I will be creating a menu. For creating a menu I will navigate to app source main, and then I will go to this resource folder, and inside this resource folder I will create a new folder called menu. Now in this new folder called menu I will create a new XML file. Let this file name be main_menu.xml. Okay, so here is this file main_menu.xml. This file initially contains one item. Now here I will be adding 3 items to this menu, and here for this one item it has defined the ID as well as the title. Now I don't need this ID, so that's why I am removing the ID for this item, and I will change the title to item A. So this is the first menu item, which is item A. Now I will just copy this and paste it again for item B and item C. So here I have 3 menu items in this menu: item A, item B and item C. Now I will just save this and I will move to main activity.java. In this activity, right after this onCreate event, here is this opening bracket and this is closing bracket of onCreate event. So after this I will add onCreate options menu. Here when I click on this onCreate options menu, it will add the complete code for onCreate options menu. It is @override public boolean onCreate options menu and in brackets menu. After this opening bracket and then return super.onCreate options menu at the end, and after that this closing bracket. So right before return super.onCreate options menu I will write get menu inflator dot inflate, and in bracket I will write r dot menu dot main menu. Here main menu is the XML file which contains my menu, and after that a comma, and then I will write this menu, name of the menu, which is menu itself. So I will write menu here, then I will close this bracket and put a semicolon. So that's all here in onCreate options menu. Next, after this onCreate options menu, I will write on options item selected, which will define what happens when any item from options menu is selected. So here I will select this on options item selected. For this the code is @override public boolean on options item selected in bracket menu item with name item, and then in brackets it is return super.on options item selected item. Return super.on options item selected item. So right before this I will create a switch and in bracket I will write item dot get title dot to string. So this will get the title of the item and convert it to string. After this is this opening curly brackets. Now inside this switch, here I will write different cases for different items. So for the first item, the case will be title of the item, which is item A in double quotes, and after this a colon, and in next line I will write break followed by semicolon. So this is the first case, and in this case I will toast a message toast dot make text. In bracket I will write this, which is context, comma, the text to be toasted. Like here I will write A selected, comma, here I will write toast dot length short, which is duration of the toast. Then I will close this bracket, and after that I will write dot show followed by a semicolon. So that's all here for case item A. Now I will just copy this and use the same code for item B and item C right after that for item B and item C, and here I will change the case to item B, and the third case will be item C. So this is on options item selected. Now I will just save this. This will be a normal options menu. I will just show you how it looks like. So here is this options menu, which contains 3 items, and when I click any item, it toasts a message specific to what I specified in the app. Now next I will show you how to change these 3 dots. So in order to do that, I will first add icons to this. I will add icons to this project, and in order to add icons to this project, I will go to file manager. Then in file manager I will go to SD card. In SD card I will go to .sketchware. Here I will go to temp, then icon pack and icon black. From this list of icons I will select 6 icons, 3, 4, 5, and this will be 6. I will just copy them, and then I will navigate to SD card. In SD card I will go to 0 menu, which is name of my project. Here I will navigate to app, source, main, resource and drawable HDPI folder, and I will paste all these 5 icons. Now I will rename them in order to make them easily recognizable. So let this be img1.png, and I will copy this and save this. Now I will rename others. Rename the second one as img2.png. This is the third one. I will rename it as img3.png. Then the fourth one, this will be img4.pmg. Next one, this will be img5. And the last one, this will be img6. So now I have 6 images starting from img 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I will use this img 2 as the icon. I will replace these 3 dots with img 2. So in order to do that, I will go to AIDE. In this I will go to main menu .xml, and here I will add a new item. I'll first copy this part for adding a new item, and then I will add a new item at the top. I will change this title to options. This will be options, and then for this item I will add Android colon icon, and the icon will be equal to, in double quotes I will write add drawable, which will lead to drawable folder, slash name of the icon which I want to set, which is img2. Now I will close this double quotes, and that's all. This will set the icon. Now I will set it to show always, so I will write Android colon show as action equal to always. Now I will remove this closing slash, and I will put a closing item at the end. Now right after this I will write menu, opening tag of menu, and right before this closing tag of item I will write closing tag of menu. So that's all here. I will save this, and now let me just show you how this looks like. So here you can see this changed icon. If I click this, it shows the 3 items, and if I select any of the items, it shows the toast message which I have specified. Now I will show you how to display submenu for these menu items. So suppose if I want to add a submenu to this item A, then in that case I will remove this closing slash, and here I will close this item. In between I will add a menu tag, which will be like submenu, and after that I will add a closing menu tag. Now in between these opening and closing menu tags I will add items, like here this item AA, then next will be item AB, And similarly for this item B, I will add these menu items for item B, and I will remove this closing slash of item B, and I will put a closing item tag here. So now we have submenu for item B and submenu for item A. Let me show you how this looks like. Okay, here when I click on this options menu and when I click on item A, it displays these two submenus, which are item AA and item AB. Plus it also toasts the message. So if I don't want to toast the message, I can remove it from the codes, and I can add these item AA and item BB as case in my Java code to specify what happens when these are clicked. If I click on item B, it again displays item AA and AB. Now I will show you how to display icons along with these. So in order to do that, I will first remove these submenus. Okay, here now I have three items, which are item A, item B and item C. And in order to add icons to it, first I will set icons by writing Android colon icon double quotes, sorry, equal to double quotes, and here I will write drawable slash, and now name of the icon like img1. So this will set icon for item A. Similarly, I'll just copy this for item B and item C. And I will change this img1 to img3 and img4. And in order to display them along with the title of the menu items, I will just go to this topmost menu. There is some problem. At icon with value drawable. What I missed is at. Here I have to write at drawable, and now I have to save this add drawable slash img1, add drawable slash img2, and so on. Now in this topmost menu tag, the first line is xmls colon android http schemas.android.com. So what I will do is, here I will make a new line, then I will copy this part, I will just copy this and paste it here. Now this I will change this second line to xmlns tools, and this URL to http://schemas.android.com/tools. And then in next line I will write tools context equal to, and in double quotes I will write dot main activity. Then I will close this double quotes. That's all here. Now I will save this and run this project. Now it should show the icons along with the menu items. So here when I click on this options menu, it displays icons along with the menu items, and if I click on any of them, it shows the respective message. So I hope this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.